Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis for JNUG. On Friday, it closed down 2.9% on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we approach to negative MACD and we're quite near the oversold on the RSI. And we did close below the 200 moving average, this green line right there. If we do manage to reverse higher, that will act as our resistance to the upside, and that is around a price of $146.29. On the other hand, for the 4 hour chart, what we have here is we also managed to close below the 200 moving average, and that resistance will be $149.91. As for the 4 hour MACD, we saw a divergence and we are about to approach to negative MACD territory. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we continue to see sideways action, still close to negative MACD territory. And for the trade idea of the week, what we have here is my position size for JNUG will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $139.29, which is this range right here, which coincides with previous support levels. And my sell target will be $147.54, which is this range right there. And my stop loss is $136.64, which is this range right there. And if we do proceed to move down lower, that will be my stop loss. So as for JDST, what we have here is on Friday, it closed up 2.8%. And as for the 1 hour MACD, we have approached to positive territory, and we also are right along the 200 moving average resistance. If we expand out onto the 4 hour chart, what we have here is we start to see a convergence, still in negative MACD territory, and we have not quite touched the 200 moving average. If we expand out further onto the daily chart, it's quite difficult to see any technical analysis due to price distortion, due to being a leveraged ETF, so we'll skip that for the moment. As for the trade idea of the week, what we have here for JDST is my entry will be $10.26, which is this range right there, which coincides with previous support levels. My sell target will be $10.87, which is this range right there, and as for my stop loss, that will be $10.07, which is this range right there. So as for the day-by-day probability model, what we have here is, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, JNUG is a leverage ETF of GDXJ, and JDST is a inverse leverage of GDXJ, so do keep that in mind. So for gold miners, we have a 50% chance for it to climb between 2% to 4%, and to the downside, a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 2%. So if you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.